Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to optimize your iPhone battery life and make it last much longer. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. So now without further ado, let's get started. So let's start with the tip 1, that is to enable low power mode. So one of the easiest way to save battery is by turning on low power mode. This reduces background activity and extends the battery life. So to enable it, simply go to the settings, and once you are in the settings, simply scroll down and tap on battery. Now here on the battery section, simply tap on low power mode and toggle it on. And you can also add it to your control center for a quick access. And now with that, let's move forward to the tip 2, that is to adjust screen brightness. Your display drains a lot of battery, so lowering the brightness can help. To do that, simply swipe down from the top right corner and adjust the brightness slider. Or you can go to the settings and tap on display and brightness and toggle on auto brightness for automatic adjustment. And now tip 3, that is to disable background app refreshes. So apps running in the background can use up battery without you knowing. So to disable it, simply go to the settings, and once you are in the settings, simply scroll down and tap on general. Now here on the general section, simply tap on background app refresh and turn it off for apps that you don't need updating constantly. And now tip 4, that is to turn off location services. So location services uses GPS, which can drain battery quickly. So to turn it off, simply go to the settings, and from here simply scroll down and tap on privacy and security. Now in this section, simply tap on location services and set apps to while using the apps or never if they don't need your location. And now with that, let's move forward to the tip 5, that is to manage push notification. So constant notification can wake your screen and use power. So to manage it, simply go to the settings and tap on notifications. Now here in this section, you can disable alerts for unnecessary apps. And with that, let's move forward to the tip 6, that is to use Wi-Fi over cellular data. So Wi-Fi consumes less power than mobile data, so use Wi-Fi whenever possible. So you can turn off cellular data when you don't need it to conserve battery. And now with that, let's move forward to the tip 7, that is to enable optimized battery charging. This feature helps extend your battery lifespan by learning your charging routine. So to enable it, simply go to the settings, and from here simply scroll down and tap on battery. Now here in this section, simply tap on charging. Now here you can see the optimized battery charging. So simply enable that option. And with that, let's head to the last tip, that is to update your iOS. So Apple frequently releases battery optimization with new iOS updates. So simply go to the settings, and from here simply tap on general. Now here in the general section, you can see the software update. So simply tap on that and check if any updates are available. If there is, install the available updates. And that's it. With these simple tweaks, you can maximize your iPhone battery life and keep it running smoothly. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.